Hi team, this is Unit 6, Lesson 7, our Wednesday lesson this week. Remember, there's no quiz this week. Today is the first day of shifting between non-standard form to standard form by using regrouping. So today the skill is you can write numbers in standard form from non-standard form by regrouping to the values of the hundreds, tens, and ones. This lesson can be particularly hard for kids because, go ahead and cough. Particularly hard for kids because they need to shift from this non-standard form to the normal standard form. The first thing that they have to be able to do is recognize and represent the values of these digits and then ask themselves, within each of these values, can I regroup? And their knowledge of regrouping of 10 ones equals 110. This is prior knowledge that you guys have already taught. 10 tens equals 100. So do I have enough ones to regroup? I have 14 ones, so yep. I'm going to take 14 ones, regroup it to a 10, and I like to be able to cross it out fully. I don't want kids to still see it. Ask myself, do I have enough to regroup? How many tens do I have? 13 tens. I have enough to regroup. What does 10 tens equal? 100. And then how many ones do I have left? 4 ones. How many tens do I have left? 3 tens. How many hundreds do I have? 3 hundreds. What does that equal? 334. 334. 334. So today kids need to ask themselves, first, how many hundreds, tens, or ones do I have? And how can I show that with flat sticks and dots? That's what you saw when I first opened the page. Then, where do I need to regroup? And how can I show that regrouping? I needed to regroup in the ones and tens because I had more than 9 of that given value. And then what is the number in standard form? 334. The one thing I'll say that's not obvious in this lesson plan is we must clarify and state that both numbers have the same value. So 2 hundreds, 12 tens, 14 ones is the same as 3 hundreds, 3 tens, 4 ones. They're not different values. They have the same value. They're just being expressed in different ways. And so when we're regrouping, we're not changing the value. We're actually just creating an equivalent value in a different form.